All right, those were just my Pillsbury Grands that we quartered. I'm gonna bring in a large bowl and we're gonna place all of our quartered biscuit pieces right into our large bowl. Oh yeah, beautiful. Put that right back under. All right, and now we're gonna add some shredded chicken to our biscuits. I think we're gonna add about ½ pound of our chicken into that. That looks absolutely amazing. And I have some 4 state cheddar cheese. We are gonna add this whole bag because everything is better with cheddar. And now our last ingredient we're gonna add to this is buffalo wing sauce. I'm using the Sweet Baby Ray's one, but you can use whatever buffalo sauce you like, and we're gonna use this whole bottle. I don't know if that's too much, but I feel like it's gonna be delicious. All right, I added the rest of that chicken because I think I added too much sauce, but we have our gloves on and it's time to toss. Oh my. So this is obviously a buffalo chicken appetizer, but you can use whatever sauce you like. You could do a barbecue sauce, an enchilada sauce, a Parmesan wing sauce, whatever your wing preference is, just go ahead and use that sauce. But I think that buffalo is my favorite. Oh my goodness. So we gotta make sure everything gets covered in that delicious sauce. Oh yeah. All right, perfect. All right, now that that's mixed, we'll put this to the side and bring in our spring form pan. And I am gonna grab my pan. It is important that you grease your pan for this one. All right, that looks pretty good. And then in the center, I have my little oven safe ramekin that we're gonna grease as well. And we're gonna place that right in the middle. And now we can add our buffalo chicken mixture to our springform pan. We are gonna fill this baby up, ensuring that our ramekin stays right in the center. And you'll see what we do with that after we cook, but it's such a fun little hack for this delicious pull apart appetizer. Oh my goodness. So let's really fill her up. All right, now this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna bake for about 45 minutes. Oh my, look how those biscuits kind of got nice and browned on top. Ooh. All right, it's time to get this out. Ooh, it is juicy with that buffalo sauce. Oh yeah. All right, and look, we can actually just flip it over, and that's what we want. All right, and we're filling up that ramekin with our buttermilk ranch, because what is better than buffalo and ranch? Oh yeah, the ultimate appetizer. Great for game day, great for, you know, a party. And it is time to release our springform pan. Woo! And look at that.
Oh, it looks so perfectly cooked.
Look how delicious that is. I should have grated my own cheese because I see that the cheese didn't fully melt how I would like. But let's go ahead, grab a piece and give it a try.
Is it good?
That is a home run. It's so good, you guys. You have to try it.